Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access the Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, in order to add a password, select this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. You can enter your website data or click on Select App and tap on one of the available ones. I want to add a password to my YouTube music. Now enter username or email, input password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. But you can fix it by choosing this gear next to Password Manager, making sure that this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords is blue, and then logging in to any app and hitting Save in Autofill pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!